Within Ordoro, you can modify or create customer notes for orders. When customers apply comments or gift messages to their orders, they sometimes need to be modified after the order's already been placed, or they may have forgotten to add it to their note and they need you to add it after the fact if it's a gift message. Within Ordoro, it's quick and easy to modify or add a customer note, and you can even do it from the orders list page, so you can kind of, instead of having to go into each order. So this tutorial is just going to demonstrate how to modify or create these customer notes. So to get started, let's go to the orders section. And to identify if an order has a customer note already, you can see that at a quick glance. It's going to be any orders with this little symbol there. You can hover over it and see just exactly what that customer note is. If you would like to modify that customer note from the order detail page, you can expand the order, and right here next under the customer note, you see it there, but you can also click edit. It pops it up, and you can add any modifications you want, and then save it. And these modifications, these notes and everything, these are going to show up on your customer's packing list. So these are not internal notes for doing anything to the order or anything like that. These are customer-facing notes that are showing up when they get their order. So there's also a comment, which is different from a customer note. That's if you need to do something to the order. So in those comments, if you're hovering over the order, they show up over here. So you'll see there's a comment here that says, please gift wrap. That's just a comment. It's not a note that the notes from customer changed. And you can do this for any order. If we expand them all, you can add notes there. Add a comment if you want to gift wrap, or whatever your comment is to whoever's packing up the order. And then you can also do this from the order detail page. You can click on the order number and edit customer notes here. And then you'll see here too, we have little helper text to remind you that this is a customer-facing note. It's going on the packing list if you need to do an internal note to use the timeline comment. So we can take a look down here. That's where we would add a comment, and that kind of makes sense because it's over here with our comments field. So two different types of notes, don't confuse them. But yeah, pretty cool. You can modify your customer notes. So if they wanted to add a gift message afterwards or anything like that, can do that there. If you have any questions about that feature, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.